we're back to learning Inkscape in the year day 62. Let me show you how you can add and delete nodes. So we're gonna go over the nodes tool, and in the last couple of videos I've shown you there's a difference between a shape, for example a rectangle, you can see that at the bottom, and a path. And we can turn basically all elements by using path object to path into a path element. And when it's a path, you can use the nodes tool and then drag these anchor points around. So the official name in Inkscape for it is a node. Therefore, the tool to drag them around and adjust them is called the nodes tool. Looks a little bit complex at the top, but we're going to start with the easy ones. First up, the plus. You need to select a segment, and then you can add with a plus sign right in center of it a new node. So here on the left-hand side, for example, just click on the plus and it will be there. But you can also simply double-click. Let me deselect that here. Then I double-click here at the top, and on the right we get new nodes as well. And that's usually the easier way or the quicker way. Simply double-click on one of these lines, one of these outlines, and you're going to get a new node. You can also delete them right here, and it's going to give you a curved line by default, but you can also select it and simply press the delete key, and by default this will give you a straight line. So once again on the left I use minus here, and on the right I select it with the left click and press the delete key, and it's a straight line. So this is where we're going to start the first two functions here for adding and subtracting paths, and this is possible on every path object. So if we, for example, use a hexagon, it's detected as a polygon. You can see that at the bottom when it's selected. And if I try to double click here using the nodes tool, nothing is going to work because this is not a path. Always keep that in mind. We have to go to path object to path first. And when it's detected as a path right here at the bottom, now we can add nodes, delete nodes, and drag them around to adjust them. And these are the basics of the nodes tool in Inkscape. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.